What's good, people? It's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video I'll be installing these cute gypsy locks. So if you'd like to see how I did this, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Let's talk about the hair that we'll be using today. So this is our LOSMOEER Ombre Gypsy Locks Black and Brown in the length 18 inches. Now this is how it looks outside of the package, and I am going to show you how to install this today. So first things first, as you can see, I've gone in already and I did a part of the back of my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the installation process. So what you're gonna do now is to go ahead and plait your hair itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and part this up and just plait it. Okay people, so what we're gonna do now is go ahead and clip away the excess here, and of course then we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the installation process. Okay, so grab your crochet hook now, and what you're gonna do is to position the crochet hook downward through your hair, just like that. And now you're gonna open up the loop on the locks itself. So after you've opened the loop on the locks, you're gonna loop it onto the crochet hook and you're gonna pull it through your hair. Now what you're gonna do is to go ahead and use your finger to pull through your hair along with the locks itself. You're gonna go ahead and make a knot at the root of your hair. After which you're gonna go ahead and loosen the locks itself at the top. And this is what we're gonna use to wrap our hair, or to disguise our hair. So what you're gonna do now is go ahead and use the lock itself while unraveling it to wrap around your hair until it comes to the end of your hair. All you have to do is repeat these steps until your hair is done.
Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slow pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. To last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.